Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Today I am going to present you the life cycle of Brahma, names of 30 Kalpas, 14 Manvantaras and Mahayugas. The lifespan of Brahma is 3.1104 trillion years. Because Brahma lives for 100 years and every year contains 12 months of 30 Kalpas. Hence, lifespan of Brahma is 100 into 12 into 30. That is equal to 36,000 kalpas. One kalpa is equal to 8.64 billion years. Therefore, 36,000 kalpas is equal to 3.1104 trillion years. That is the lifespan of a Brahma. Now, we will see the 30 kalpas names. Because the lifespan of a Brahma is 36,000 kalpas, that is equal to 100 into 12 into 30 kalpas. These 30 kalpas repeat every month in the lifespan of a Brahma. So there will be 12 months in every year. So these 30 kalpas will be repeated every month and every year. So like that the lifespan of a Brahma is 100 years. So these 30 kalpas will be repeating every month. So now I will present the 30 kalpa names. Number 1 Svetavaraha. Number 2 Neelalohita, Vamadeva, Gatantara, Raurava, Prana, Brihatkalpa, Kandarpa, Sadyota, Isana, Dhyana, Saraswata, Udana, Garuda, Kaurma, Narasimha, Samadhi, Agneya, Vishnuja, Saura, Somakalpa, Bhavana, Supuma, Vaikunta, Arisisa, Valikalpa, Vairaja, Gaurikalpa, Maheswara, Paitrikalpa. So these are all the 30 kalpa names. We are in Svetavaraha kalpa. So present we are in 51st year of Brahma and in 51st year we are in the first kalpa, that is Svetavaraha kalpa. One kalpa equal to 864 billion years. So one kalpa, in one kalpa a day of Brahma and a night of a Brahma will be included. So one day plus one night of a Brahma is equal to one kalpa. So that means one complete day of a Brahma is called as kalpa. Now we will see that in a day of a Brahma there will be 14 Manvantaras and 15 Manvantara Sandhyas. And in the night of a Brahma is completely submerged in cosmic ocean. So the day of a Brahma is 4.32 billion years and the night of a Brahma is 4.32 billion years. So total 8.64 billion years is one kalpa, that is one complete day of a Brahma. Now each Manvantara is 30 crores 67 lakhs 20,000 years. So there will be 14 Manvantaras. So 14 into 30 crores 67 lakhs 20,000 is equal to 429 crores 4 lakhs 80,000 years. Again there will be 15 Manvantara Sandhyas. Each Manvantara Sandhyas consists of 17 lakhs 28,000 years. Therefore 17 lakhs 28,000 years into 15 is equal to 2 crores 59 lakhs 20,000 years. So total 4.32 billion years. In this way the day of Brahma consists of 14 Manvantaras and 15 Manvantara Sandhyas. Therefore the complete day of a Brahma is equal to 8.64 billion years. Now we will see the names of 14 Manus. The names of 14 Manus are like this: Swayambhu Manu, Swarochisha Manu, Uttama Manu, Tapasa Manu, Raivata Manu, Chakshusha Manu, Vaivasvata Manu, Savarani Manu, Daksha Savarani Manu, Brahma Savarani Manu, Dharma Savarani Manu, Rudra Savarani Manu, Deva Savarani Manu, Indra Savarani Manu. So these are all the 14 Manvantara names. So we are in present Vaivasvata Manu. That means 7th Manu. So we are in the 7th Manu period. That means we are in the 51st year, first day of Brahma. In the first day of Brahma, we are in the 7th Manu period. Svetavaraha kalpe Vaivasvata Manvantare Kaliyuge Pradama Pade. We will tell while chanting the Sankalpa. So in this way, this is the time period of the Brahma. Now we will see one Manvantara is equal to 30 crores 67 lakhs 20,000 years. Each Manvantara contains 71 Mahayugas. So each Mahayuga is equal to 43 lakhs 20,000 years. So 71 into 43 lakhs 20,000 years is equal to 30 crores 67 lakhs 20,000 years. It is equal to one Manvantara period. Now each Mahayuga consists of 4 yugas. Krita Yuga 17 lakhs 28,000 years. Treta Yuga 12 lakhs 96,000 years. Dwapar Yuga 8 lakhs 64,000 years. Kali Yuga 4 lakhs 32,000 years. So total 43 lakhs 20,000 years is equal to one Mahayuga. So now we are in Kali Yuga. So total Kali Yuga consists of 4 lakhs 32,000 years. So this is the time cycle of a Brahma. So viewers, follow me and subscribe. I will present more interesting aspects in my future videos. Thank you.